Welcome to the inside of the world's most advanced energy drink factory. And today, I'll show you everything.
Batch 44A incoming. Get the scanners ready.
Flow looks stable. Batch S41 inbound.
Increase suction by 5%. We need a steady feed rate for filtration.
Hold it there. Don't let it exceed 90%.
Keep it smooth. No clumping. We need a clean flow before liquefaction.
Gate 1 clear. No steel fibers detected.
Mix ratio stable at 60-40. Keep the turbulence low.
That's clean. Perfect consistency.
Pressure good. Mesh is holding. Look at that clarity. Exactly what Red Bull requires.
UV intensity check. All chambers green.
Bricks level. Perfect.
Sugar line stable?
Yep. Syrup prep can begin in 10 minutes.
Maintain 55 degrees Celsius. Don't overshoot.
Vandal with precision. This is the heart of Red Bull.
Dosing accuracy perfect. 0.01% tolerance met.
Taurine levels stable. Proceed.
Calibration perfect. No clumping.
V-batch 12 loaded? Good.
The saturation is holding steady at 85%. Good, let's maintain the stir rate for another minute.
Perfect, classic Red Bull color achieved.
Viscosity ideal. No need for corrective dilution.
Signature scent verified.
Everything clean. No anomalies.
Initiate transfer, pressure steady.
Prepare for carbonation compatibility.
Homogenizers break down molecular clusters, making the syrup ultra smooth.
All parameters locked. Batch R2201 is approved.
The viscosity readings are holding steady at 150 centipoise.
Good, the adjustment seems to have worked perfectly. Adjust the calibration curve to compensate for the pressure spike.
Done. Holding steady at 500.
Good, the readout looks stable now.
This batch is consistent with standard.
pressure is stable at 6 bars. Confirmed. System looks good.
Keep flow at 3.5 bar. Don't let it dip.
Hold it, stabilize here.
99.97% purity. Perfect for infusion.
The density levels are stabilizing right at the target range.
Yes, the microbubbles look consistent. Let's maintain pressure.
Drop to 28 psi. Don't let it overshoot.
The manometer is stable, but the pH balance is still slightly acidic according to the readout.
Noted. We'll need to monitor it closely for the next hour.
We're right on spec. This is it. The perfect energy mix.
Proceed slowly. Coil is 900 kilograms.
Keep roll alignment tight. No sharp lifts allowed.
Merge stable. Start wash sequence.
Interior spotless. Drying complete. Zero moisture.
Keep an eye on the UV flux levels right here.
Yeah, they're holding steady. Shields are secure. We are good to go.
Perfect. Send them to filling.
All right, team. Starting pre-checks for bottle and can production. Keep the feed smooth. Any jam slows the blowing cycle.
Temperatures stable at 110 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Perfect expansion, no thinning.
Keep pressure at 2.2 bar. (98°C) and sterilization perfect. Check COGC pressure and syrup ratio. Filling cycle starts now. Alignment perfect, zero wobble.
Tolerance set to plus or minus 1 millimeter.
Pressure lock engaged. Prepare for mix entry.
Flow rate stable at 98%. Maintain pressure. Carbonation integrity must stay perfect.
Maintain pressure. Carbonation integrity must stay perfect.
Jet stable. Keep pressure at 1.8 bar.
Crown feed is clear. No jams.
Cap flow stable, no misfeeds. Maintain frequency at 340 RPM.
feed rate synchronized.
Seam thickness perfect. Test pressure is ideal.
Ready for print sync.
Color density stable at 98%.
Batch looks flawless. Forward to packaging.
Tension stable at 12.4. Proceed.
Perfect seal on batch 7B.
No wrinkles, pack integrity 100%.
Okay. Batch 92A, excellent uniformity.
Glue pressure stable at 4.5 above.
Line 2, multi-packs flowing clean. No jams recorded.
Cycle rate, stable at 18 picks/min.
Keep the spacing tight. We're building shipment batch 204.
Barcode verified. Ready for dispatch lane.
Batch 204 cleared.
Dock 3 locked. Begin loading sequence.
Shipment verified. Release truck 14.
Locked. This load isn't moving an inch.